Okay, hey, yeah, Michael found / wrote this song. Here you go, Mike.
This is called Girls, not Grills. Girls. Okay. Baby girl, glamour girl, strawberry girl, strut, candy girl, sexy girl, Barbie girl, bust, gangsta girl, dream girl, pendant girl, shops, Victoria's girl, glitter girl, hot girl, pops, cover girl, naughty girl, jazzy girl, sings, fat girl, ghetto girl, bling girl, bling, sassy girl, cool girl, girly girl, rocks, mama's girl, daddy's girl, wild girl, stalks, strong girl, sister girl, church girl, preach, flower girl, black girl, American girl, reach, thick girl, school girl, smart girl, moves, bad girl, spoiled girl, bitchy girl, grooves, God's girl, quiet girl, sweet girl, blessed, beautiful girl, young girl, talented girl, impressed, prom girl, city girl, business girl, works, play girl, outgoing girl, dance girl, twerks, lavish girl, promiscuous girl, anonymous girl, rose, country girl, island girl, Bobby V's girl, controls.
Okay, yeah, hey, that was Michael's song, and if you want to view more of our videos, go to youtube.com/sportsdudes1on1, or go to youtube.com/
Look at yourself.
or go to youtube.com/4Mexicans a song. Bye.